It's your boy One Love Fishing, aka Jen. We're in a place in Raeford, North Carolina. It's a private place and hopefully we get some good footage. I got my friend Alvaro here with me and he's a pro at what he does, so you guys stay tuned. This is Alvaro. He's a videographer and I work with him. He's a great man. He taught me a lot about filming. And this is Alex. Nice to meet you, Alex.
Nice to meet you, Gene.
Let me show them the bait we're working with. All right, so we got some bait here. These are red worms, and we're taking those, splitting them in half, and we're catching bluegill. There it is. Perfect. My boy Alvaro with his first fish. Let's go. Another thing we're trying to do right now is to catch some minnows, and hopefully I'm gonna be able to scoop some with this net right here. So let's see how it's done. Let's see if we got any. Oh, there's one. Okay, perfect. Nice little minnow right here. Cool. Let's put them on the hook and catch fish. I'm using a 8-foot Daiwa Spinmatic rod, and it's attached to a Abu Garcia Cardinal SX30. 2-pound test. Especially in the fall, it's good to use really light gear because some of these fish, they start to get really finicky. This is the part you have to be careful because these fish are very fragile, and hook them down below the mouth and up through the nose. Kind of like that. So I got a weightless presentation with just the bobber, and let's see if we can catch a fish. There we go. On the minnow, crappie. Yes. Got it? Yeah, I got a crappie. The fish that you caught earlier? Yeah. So these fish love to eat minnows, and a good way to catch them is with a live minnow. And when you set the hook on these things, you got to be real gentle because they have like a paper thin mouth, if you can see. Yeah, they get a lot bigger than this. That way he goes on this side and gets bigger, and you know, somebody else could catch him, or maybe catch and cook. We're gonna be doing a challenge to see who can catch the most bluegills in 20 minutes. The current time is 1:39. We're gonna get the timer going, and so the most that we could catch in 20 minutes is the winner. Here we go. All right, we're starting now. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Wow, way to start it off. That is awesome. Shell cracker right off the bat. That's awesome. Okay, Alex has one. And I got one. See you later, dude. Let's go, Alvaro, it's your turn. Yeah, I got one. Another one. Currently at 2. Oh, there we go. Alvaro got one. That's a keeper. I got another one. That's 3. I'll help you out, Alvaro. Ooh, that's a big one. My goodness.
Yeah, it's going straight to the grill.
Good catch.
Thank you, Jen.
No problem. It's 4 right here.
How many do you got?
4. Here goes 5. Too small. 6. There you go. Good job, Alvaro. Alvaro has 2. Seven here. Good catch. No problem. See you later, dude.
Do you have 4?
I have 7.
7?
I guess we have to watch the footage and see. Because that's the only evidence. We might be running low on worms, Alvaro.
I forgot, I wanted to buy some. One more.
Oh yes. 2, 2. There it is. 3. You want to throw them in? I can. Let's see. See you later, dude. I think the fish are starting to figure it out. Oh, there we go. 8.
8?
Yes, sir.
Toto vas 3. 3 tú. 3 también. Acuérdate, anda. Mira.
Oh yeah. Nice job. Four? 4, 9, 3. Right?
Yeah.
Cool. All right, that's it. That's time. Yeah, you guys did great. So we just got finished with our challenge and we're trying to see how much bluegill we could catch in 20 minutes. And Alvaro ended up catching 3. His brother Alex caught 4, and then I ended up catching 9. So it's just the beginning. I think it wasn't fair because Alvaro and Alex, they're pretty new, but they're really good at fishing. So yeah, thanks for tuning in, watching, and I appreciate Alvaro, especially him doing like camera work for me and things like that. But hope to do another collaboration soon. Thank you so much. See you guys.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame.